Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use the Microsoft Surface app. Ladies and gentlemen, the download and installation over here is going to be quick and easy. So first of all, get the app from the Microsoft Store or search Surface in your Windows Start menu. This will work seamlessly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, tailor your Surface pen pressure sensitivity, configure your Surface headphones, and personalize earbud settings. And this is all from one intuitive interface. Check real-time battery status, view firmware versions, and receive alerts for important system updates to keep your device running smoothly. Then, getting started, launch the Surface app from your start menu, navigate to help and support for system diagnostics, connect your Surface accessories to receive automatic firmware updates, and then adjust device settings and privacy preferences. Why is this essential? So streamlined updates can keep your entire Surface ecosystem current, up to date. You can also manage multiple devices and accessories from one single dashboard, and it gives you instant access to warranty information as well as troubleshooting tools, and there's no need to browse support files. Everything is literally at your fingertips in one single space.